Ikong Amprin Lingdo MLA ka Seng Congress ilo ang bawat laki we ki Seng San perthai ki dangya artatin Henry ka Seng Congress ka yeng tali de ka we ka sur ban Jied ba Charles Pingrop como president bathamai ka Mpcc badia kanila depen pau badra kamaru ICC in charge jong ka Meghalaya umanish chatrat.
And as far as the post of PCC is concerned, PCC chief is concerned, we are very unanimous. We have all said that it would be the face of Charles Pongrop from the side of the Khasi Jantia Ribhoi areas. And ideally, we would also support and we would like to support an election. But because of this situation that has arisen and because there is now a requirement because of the refusal of the current president to continue in the post for various reasons. We thought that if there would be a nomination, then let it be a common face that all of us have supported.
Ikong Amprin ila kran sharu ba omdan kano ka jing artatin ba ka jiapat hapo ka Seng Congress ha ka beide ba kani ka benta kumbala kentho de ki we ki Seng
President to support Charles Pongrop so that the unanimity is very correctly projected to the public. There is no question of any internal fighting on this matter. We are very unanimous. It is one voice, and we have had a lot of debates, discussions, deliberations within the party, and there is no question of a divided house. Yes, our rival parties would feel that it would be good to create this confusion. But for a change, Congress is not confused from within. If other rival political parties are confused, then that's their problem. But we are unanimous in our selection of Charles Pongrop, and we have accordingly communicated to the AICC in charge who just came recently